What's going on, guys? Rico1320 here, back again with another vlog, and today we're gonna be trying to do my Rubik's Cube. Now, I've truly never been able to do my Rubik's Cube because I don't get how people do it. So today we're gonna be trying to do my Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I've never done this before. I mean, I've like played around with it, but so what side should I do, guys? Blue, yellow, white, green, or orange, or red? Let's see, whatever color I choose on this. Yellow. Alright, so oh god. This. Let's see. What if I try doing a trick by 3? This, that, what? Oh my god. This is so confusing. So I got that so far. Just can't hide it. Oh, okay. Now I got 3 on it. Let's see, how do I do this? This and this. There we go. Now I changed it up some. Looks like a Minecraft helmet. This. Let's do this. And that. There we go. We got 3 down there. Now if I change this like so. If I change this like so. Then we got a T for Tanner Fox. Right, and then if we change this like so. Wait. I need to get both of these sides. Like so, and then if I change this, this is where I'm at so far. I need to get 3. That's what I'm trying. So if I go like this, so there we go. Now I got 4 there. If I go right here, up like that. Now I got 3. These are really complicated. Nah. If I trim this like so, and this like so, like this, nope. Now we got 3 in a row right there. We're gonna figure this out. Alright, guys, if you guys know how to fix a Rubik's or do a Rubik's Cube, tell me down in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit a like, please leave a like on this video. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. You guys are awesome. I love you guys from my bottom of my heart, and I'll see you guys in the next awesome Rubik's video. Peace.